Hi there and welcome to my channel. Here I'll be serving up a delicious blend of skincare and makeup tips to help you look and feel your best. Today's special: homemade natural peel-off mask. Some of the best peel-off face masks use gelatin to create a peel that removes blackheads, blocked pores, and bacteria from the skin. One of the advantages of using gelatin in natural face peelings is that it can help stimulate collagen metabolism in the skin. Gelatin is derived from collagen, and applying it to the skin can help tighten pores and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The natural ingredients you will be needing today are charcoal and unflavored gelatin powder. So, this is how we do it. Take 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder and 2 capsules of activated charcoal. Place the gelatin and the charcoal in a small heat-resistant bowl and add 2 tablespoons of clean or distilled water. Stir well. After that, you can put it in the microwave and heat for 10 seconds, or you can heat it in a bain-marie. Stir well until it thickens, and then let the mixture cool until it is warm. Apply the warm charcoal mask on the forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Leave it on for 20 minutes, until the face mask has hardened. Carefully remove the mask from your face to remove bacteria, blackheads, and dirt from your face. Be careful, this mask, it also removes facial hair, which might hurt a little bit. Rinse your face and apply some natural oil such as avocado oil or coconut oil in order to moisturize your skin. Use it twice a week to keep blackheads at bay and keep your skin beautiful. Remember, your beauty is a masterpiece waiting to be crafted.